Well, Janelle, as you said, the numbers do look promising today, 370 new cases. Now, here's a graph for you to see the direction the new COVID-19 cases are going. Now, the Chief Medical Officer of Health says we have to look at trends and patterns, not just the daily numbers, and that includes community spread. So Dr. Williams says roughly 55% of the daily cases come from community spread. So the others would come from long-term care. So that would be 200 community spread today. He says he'd like to see community spread cases down to about 100 a day before opening up the economy further. Premier Doug Ford did open it just a little bit for seasonal businesses like gardening centers today, and he told other businesses to get ready because more good news is coming.
Start prepping, no matter if it's 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 2 weeks, whenever it is. Start prepping, getting masks ready. So there's the warning right now. It's coming. It's inevitable. The numbers keep going down. We're going to get the economy going based on health and science. Thank you.
The Premier is also calling for a national plan for contact tracing of all new COVID cases, which all the premiers will be discussing, he says, later this week. And the province is considering creating COVID-19 hospitals so others can resume non-emergency surgeries. I've told you how at least 50,000 have been postponed, including about 2,000 cancer surgeries.
So that is one of the elements. Having a COVID-free hospital is an idea, but there's a lot of other issues that have to come forward. But we are finalizing a plan. We hope to have it to present to all of you very shortly, because we do know there are so many people that are very anxious about having their surgery, particularly for serious issues like cancer and cardiac issues.
And here is another positive sign. Premier Doug Ford says cottagers could be able to enjoy their cottages by the May 2-4 long weekend. He's been asking people not to go up north. That might change.
There's only so long you can hold back taxpayers from going to their cottages. I'll give you an example in Muskoka. In Muskoka, the vast majority of taxes are paid through cottagers. So if people are responsible, the numbers continue to go down, we'll have that conversation.
And Doug Ford says he will talk to cottage country mayors this Wednesday or Thursday. Now, I also asked him if he thought Ontario might give permission for family bubbles the way some other provinces are. So, for example, I could take my daughters and go have dinner with my mother. And he said to ask about that again next week when maybe the numbers are even better.